Hi everyone, today I will show you how to perform mutation fusion in plants versus brainrots. It's super simple and fun. First, just head over to the mutation fusion machine like this, and then you can fuse mutations for either brainrots or plants. Next, just select two different mutations of the same type. For example, in here I'm pushing for gold purpaloni and diamond purpaloni, and then just add some XP over here. If you are not sure how to get the XP, just check the tutorial link in the descriptions below like this. And after that, just tap on mix, this one, just tap on it, and then just wait for the process. And then when it's done, just go to your inventory and then just search for your new fusions. Usually the fuse mutations combine the names like gold, diamond, like this, the final result will look like this. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.